Hello, myself Sunil R Nair, and here basically we are discussing about the topic currency. And in this basically we are discussing about the idea. One person told that basically what is Dadagiri? Then one person told that you have got the job? No. So that is Dadagiri by Mumbai city and supported by entire India country. So that is Dadagiri. Dadagiri of the group basically who creates the blood cells. That we will not allow that person's blood cells to enter into the India country. So that is basically Dadagiri. For example, one person told that basically one person told that we have removed one person's energy from each and every sector of India land basically. Then one person told that why are you have done that basically? Because we don't like that guy. We don't like that person basically. That's why basically we have removed the train data from that particular person's body. We have removed the data of the buildings also basically. So we are not using a single energy of that particular person basically. Then it have, how we have done that basically. Then he told that basically we have given him HIV/AIDS. And basically his generation is also not supposed to enter in the India land basically. For that basically we have given him Nasbandi also. Like this, what enemy you have basically with that guy here basically. Then he told that he actually given me lots of trouble basically. So basically he has done anything basically in India basically, or basically to the Indian nationality from the world basically. That he is just a normal guy here. What he will do for Indian nationality from this world and from this universe? Then one person told that do you know basically how many count of Indian nationality are there in this world basically? Then he told that there might be some around 300 crore basically. Sorry, not 300 crore. 300 crore is too much. 190, 190 like this. Around 250 crore there might be basically Indian nationality across the India and plus across the world. But what is about the universe here basically? Then basically what the question basically was here basically how to track that particular space basically which is of India. That space basically is for that this that basically how basically we are going to verify that. So it's told that basically that is Dadagiri re Baba. Dadagiri of India basically in space also. So like this basically, this is also basically about little bit Dadagiri. One person told that yeah, your blood cells basically is removed from each and every place basically. So what enemy that group basically was, and up to what level the enemy is going to be. Then he told that basically it's a brown color, na basically. That is the enemy basically going to be. Then one person started thinking here basically how many Indian nationality basically are there here basically in the world basically. Sorry, in the universe only basically he counted. After that incident, he counted the entire universe basically. How many Indian basically are there? Then one of the person basically again basically calculated the Indian blood cells basically. How many Indian blood cells basically are there? Indian blood cells means everybody knows the caste. Indian nationality equal to lots of caste basically are created in this world basically. Lots of caste are there basically. Like Malayalam, this is Malayalam language. In Malayalam, Nair is there, Iyer is there. Then in Gujarati basically Patels are there, Shah basically are there. And then basically in Marathi basically Jadhav is there, Patel is there, Thackeray is there. Like this, there are basically many languages, many castes basically are there here basically. Then he told that basically lots of hard work has done here basically by Indian nationality for next generation, which is 100% going to move according to the NASA and ISRO group and space industry. So they all basically have done the plan basically for the next generation. For the next generation basically. So next generation plan basically. So one person told, yeah, next generation means what actually? The train basically which is moving, that is next generation. The speed is going to increase, that is next generation. Then he told that that person basically got married and he basically got child, that is next generation. That is basically normal definition basically. For example, one person is basically got married, he basically got one child, and he basically, his wife basically got allocated to one human souls. So that human souls basically was given by certain companies, so that basically are handling the next generation. That's their responsibility, and they basically have the rights to do whatever things basically you have to do. So they basically literally kills also sometimes basically. Sometimes basically this type of decision also basically the human souls industry basically takes. So that is also very dangerous, because you basically can't predict basically which person you are killing and who is that person you are killing. But human clone basically have the information basically, the which kind of person basically he is. So according to that you do the future plan also basically. According to they basically do the future plan also basically. Because they don't know, they have created the human souls basically. So they know. According to that basically they do the future plan. It's not like that basically they don't do the future plan. So what is future plan basically? One person literally asked the question basically, what actually future plan is? Then he told that in 2000 basically 2005 basically the particular party got the election ticket, sorry, central ticket basically. Central ticket means he won the election, and they are going to rule in 2015, sorry 2020. So 15 years plan basically was done, so that the India basically can run the political, they can rule the country basically. So it takes 15 years to create each and everything basically. So like this was the future plan basically. So whatever the people who has not given the vote basically, that basically group also they do the future plan basically. For that also they do the future plan of 15 years. Like then basically the future plan is one person basically fired from the software industry. They say that basically he is going to become lesson, and we are basically firing him. So that basically is future plan of human resource department and the technical department and the group basically who are handling the IT department. They say that basically we are the king and we are the babs. We are the bab of the IT industry. Like this, they literally fires that guy. So this is future plan. Then basically one of the person told that one person basically got first marriage, and that first marriage group basically done the that type of incidents basically, that in second marriage basically he was not having the child. So that was future plan basically done by the first marriage group. Then basically the future plan is one person basically was not getting the job. So he was not getting the job. Reason basically the future plan was done. Basically he is not supposed to get the job. He is not supposed to get the job. He will not get the job. If he will get the job, then only basically he will do the marriage. So the future plan was done by the one group basically. Then basically he told that what is the future plan basically. Then he told that basically that Earth planet you can see. Yes, Earth planet I can see basically. In future it's going to be moved to right side basically. So this is future plan. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this.